Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to free space in Zoho Mail. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, let's start with the trash folder. To clean this up, open your email application and navigate to the trash folder, usually located in the sidebar. Once inside, you'll see a list of all deleted messages. Look for an option labeled Empty Trash or Delete All. Depending on your email provider, this button will usually appear at the top or bottom of the folder. Clicking it will permanently erase everything in the trash, instantly freeing up space. Next, let's move on to the spam folder. This section tends to fill up with unsolicited or unwanted messages filtered by your provider. To clear them, simply head to the spam folder from your sidebar. Here, you'll find a collection of junk mail flagged by your provider. Just like with the trash, you should see an empty spam option. Clicking it will delete all spam emails permanently, ensuring your email account stays optimized. And that's it. So that is how you can free space in Zoho Mail. So that's all for this video. Thanks.